Hi, Chris from Technical Prospects here with the Tech Tip. Today, we're going to talk about changing the coronal discs. Whether you're replacing an X-ray tube or performing preventive maintenance, which is every 2 years for an X-ray product, you're going to want to replace the coronal discs. First thing you're going to do is loosen the set screws. Then remove the candlestick and voila. Usually, this is what happens. It falls off. What you're going to want to do is make sure everything's good and clean. Some of these discs have a rib and some of them don't. If you have a rib, it's important to know that the rib always goes against the candlestick. It provides a buffer. To install the discs, take some oil, put a little bit on each one. Make sure you get enough where it provides a little bit of a seal, then put a little bit on top. Usually, half a bottle of oil is fine, so you can do both sides of a tube with one bottle. Then put it in. And tighten it down. It only needs to be hand tight. Don't over tighten it. You'll compress it too much. Remember, coronal discs are there to prevent arcing, to keep the candlestick moist. For any further questions, please see our resources or contact us.